things you keep, you better throw them away. You want to turn your back on your soulless days. Once you were tethered, but now you are free. Yes, once you were tethered, but now you are free. 'Cause that was the river, and this is the sea. Yes, that was the river, and this is the sea. Now you're feeling weary, if you've been alone too long. Maybe you've been suffering from too many plans that have all gone wrong, and you're trying to remember how divine your life used to be. Running around banging a drum like it's 1973. Well, that was the river, and this is the sea. That was the river, and this is the sea. Now you say you've got trouble, you say you've got pain, you say you've got nothing to believe in, nothing to hold on to, nothing but trust, nothing but change. You're scoring your conscience, breaking through your memories. Your scar